seat because it might not a seat.
It's not a seat. Here, let's show everybody what it is. So this is our new HD Aero Bug Slinger made by BOTE. This is an inflatable paddleboard.
Yay, paddleboard.
Yeah. So we went with the BOTE for a couple reasons. One, I really like the versatility of it. There's a lot of accessories you can put on the BOTE paddleboard, from fishing rod holders to coolers. So it felt like a good fit for our family that we can do a lot of different activities on it. And then also BOTE is just a really solid brand. Another thing to remember with BOTE, if you sign up for their emails, you'll get a 10% off code, which is a big deal when you're talking some of the prices of their paddle boards. So definitely save yourself some money. The shipping was free, which was also a bonus. All right, so let's open this bad boy. There we go. Out of here. Slide her out. All right. All right, you ready?
Yep.
11 feet.
That was a, wow. I didn't know. Woo. That.
It just keeps going. So it's got lots of like tie down. Here's a launch point, it calls it.
What's a launch point?
You just feel it. It feels really good quality.
Oh yeah.
It says latch point. Latch point, not launch point.
I can't wait to take a ride on this thing.
I know. Alright, it also came with this really nice bag. If you feel it, it has that waterproof feel to it. It also has a zipper right here. And what's really cool about it is it's a backpack. So you can carry this thing through airports, you can carry it from your campsite down to the water, you can carry it on a really nice sandbar and set it up right where you want it. So it's a really nice feature which will make this easy and portable. The tackle rack. I opted to go with the orange color for a couple reasons. One, I thought it was really cool. And two, I like to be seen on the water. If you're fishing at night or you're out on your kayak and you're out with other boaters and you just want to be seen, especially if you have a kiddo with you or a dog or just yourself, you want to make sure that people can see you, especially other boaters. Here's the tackle rack. This comes in white, black, and I think the other color was gray. And now this is going to attach right in here. And it has rod holders. You can lean on it. And it also has some bungee here that you could tie things to. So it's got ways to really cinch some things down. So I think this will be great, especially if the kiddo's with me or the dog. We'll just have a little extra balance while we're on the board. So I'm super excited about this accessory that we got. You get this thing on the water?
Yep.
So we're at the Rainbow River State Park in Denellen, Florida, and we're here with a ton of people. We got here for the 8 o'clock opening, and we got here around 7:40, and the line was already way back down the street. It is a Saturday morning, so it's probably a lot more crowded than it would be a weekday, but we're glad to be here, and we're ready to get this thing in the water. So come on, come join us.
Yep. I'm ready to go swimming.
Okay, hey everybody. So we have taken our stand-up paddleboard on its maiden voyage, and it's been awesome. Earlier, Tanner was up here with me, and it felt super stable. There is a little bit of a learning curve because your center of gravity is a little different on a stand-up versus in a kayak. But I think a day on the water will be feeling really comfortable on this thing. I love that there is a attachment to hold your paddle. So I'm just sitting here floating, putting on suntan lotion, and the paddle just stays right there. I don't have to worry about it. It also has these really nice straps that I don't know if you can see, but Tanner's in the water, so he can just float around and hold on to something. So there's just lots of little attachments. Straps here, there's Velcro straps here. So there's just endless possibilities of what you can do with this boat stand-up paddleboard. But so far, really good. The water is beautiful today. This is the Rainbow River. It's a spring-fed river. It stays 72 degrees year-round, and it is crystal clear. You can see right to the bottom, and it's just beautiful. And it's so refreshing. Well, right now we're going downstream, so we'll put this thing to the test going back upstream to get to our destination. But it's just a beautiful day on the Rainbow.